Hey everybody, this is Mark with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect safety glasses? Well, check out these MAGID gemstone safety glasses. For a hard worker looking for style and protection, these are the glasses to get. They're durable, lightweight, and have permanent side shields for extra protection against splashes, debris, and other hazards that can harm you while you're working at home, on your vehicles, or on the job. Notice how the clear side shields give that peripheral vision while still providing excellent protection. They're made with anti-scratch coating that prevents scuffs and scratches from obstructing your vision. They don't fog, and they also provide UV protection all in one package. For me, our eyes and vision are priceless, so I use these for everything, for cleaning, construction, grinding, machine operating, painting, sanding, and any other jobs that require any type of eye protection. With that said, these safety glasses are my top choice when it comes to getting things done at work and at home, and that's just my point of view.